Have you ever heard the phrase a loose cannon and wondered what it means? Today, we're going to dive into this common English idiom and learn how to use it effectively. Imagine this: your coworker, let's call him Alex, is known for his unpredictable behavior at the office. One day, he accidentally knocks over the water cooler while gesturing wildly during a meeting. Your boss turns to you and says, "Alex is such a loose cannon. We never know what he's going to do next." Now, you might be thinking, a loose cannon? What does that even mean? Well, the idiom a loose cannon refers to someone who is unpredictable, uncontrollable, and potentially dangerous or disruptive. Imagine an old-fashioned cannon on a ship, rolling around uncontrolled and threatening to cause damage. That's the image behind this idiom, someone who is like a loose cannon, causing chaos and mayhem wherever they go. You might use a loose cannon to describe a coworker who often speaks out of turn and disrupts meetings. Or you could use it to describe a politician who makes controversial statements without considering the consequences. In a business setting, you might say your boss is a loose cannon if they make impulsive decisions that put the company at risk. In a casual conversation, you could call your friend a loose cannon if they're known for their unpredictable behavior at parties. To remember the meaning of a loose cannon, think of a giant metal ball rolling around a ship's deck, smashing everything in its path. This vivid image can help you understand the level of chaos and potential danger associated with this idiom. The term loose cannon originated in the 19th century, when cannons were the primary weapons on naval ships. If a cannon's ropes or chains broke during rough seas or battle, it could become a deadly projectile careening across the deck, causing significant damage and posing a grave danger to the crew. This idiom highlights the critical need for discipline and control in the often chaotic and dangerous environment of a warship. Similar idioms to a loose cannon include a wild card, a maverick, and a renegade. Opposite expressions would be a team player, a reliable worker, or a disciplined leader. Related idioms might include a bull in a china shop or a ticking time bomb, which also convey the idea of someone or something being potentially destructive or unpredictable. Instead of saying, "My coworker is a loose cannon," you could rephrase it as, "My coworker is unpredictable and disruptive." The meaning is similar, but using the idiom adds more color and emphasis to the description. I remember a time when my friend Alex was giving a presentation at a conference. He started gesturing wildly and accidentally knocked over a glass of water. The audience erupted in laughter, and the conference organizers later commented that Alex was a real loose cannon during the event. One common mistake is to say a loose cannon when referring to a single incident, rather than a pattern of behavior. For example, "My coworker spilled coffee on the boss's laptop." What a loose cannon would be incorrect. Instead, you'd want to say something like, "My coworker is always causing disruptions at the office. He's a real loose cannon." In summary, a loose cannon is a helpful idiom to describe someone who is unpredictable, uncontrollable, and potentially disruptive. Mastering this idiom can really boost your English communication skills and help you express yourself more vividly. Now it's your turn. Try using a loose cannon in a sentence and share it with us in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons. Happy learning!